Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 4,500. We expected crude oil to stay in buying, maintaining 4,470 as stop loss. So right after the opening, the slowly went up. Price went up till 4,540. Then there was a sharp drop. Again, the price bounced back and closed near 4,524, and the price maintained some sort of retracement buyings. Today expected open somewhere near the same zone around 4,520. So today also you can expect crude oil to stay in buying, maintaining the same 4,470 as stop loss. You cannot expect the price to move or swing much higher. You can expect some sort of resistance around 4,560 or within 4,600. So be careful within the zone, book profit and exit from the market immediately. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.